Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Good news is daily time frame is nag-close ng green candle. After niyang ma-reject sa resistance, may mga buyers pa rin na sumasalo. And silipin na natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. Since this is forming bullish flag pattern, good news, nagkaroon tayo yesterday ng first pullback kay BTC sa 618 to create first higher low. And currently, yung BTC is nagke-create na ng higher high, trying to switch na yung momentum to uptrend continuation. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, if i-continue ni BTC yung pag-create ng another higher low and to create another higher high, continuation ng uptrend momentum yung mangyayari. The moment naman nabasagin niya yung support natin and pakita niya tayo ng volume, possible na magkaroon tayo ng weakness sa mga buyers. But currently, since BTC is trying to break na yung bullish flag pattern, so we are on a uptrend momentum.